Hi there. How are you? My name is Alicia Powell, CEO and founder of APMEE Meditation, Healing, and Wellness here in the Charleston, South Carolina area. I'm so excited to announce services coming to the area, but also excited to announce on June 26th, join me for a special event, our first event, where we are going to equip women with the tools and strategies they need to bring about peace. I'm going to help you with your breakthrough. I'm going to help you identify those things that are causing you to have a disturbed peace. We are stressed. I'm sure you're tired, burnt out, overwhelmed, coming through this pandemic, worry, anxiety, battling with depression. We wear so many hats, ladies, and I know you are awaiting a breakthrough. So join me on June 26th, where we will come together. Meditation starts in the Bible, and it starts with God. And he talks about meditating on his precepts day and night so that we're cautious to do everything in it. So I'm going to teach you some of these principles so that you can be still in the Lord, that you can hear God's voice, that you can meditate on his word. And we are going to identify some of those things that are disturbing your peace. And I'm going to show you how to walk through those with peace. Okay, so join me on June 26th. Some of you all who upgrade your ticket to the VIP ticket. Now, there's a limited amount because we really want to make this an intimate event. That means that you join me not only for the day session, but you join me for the night session. In the evening, we will join together and we will let our hair down. We will get real and into those discussions. You'll get coaching on the spot, spa treatment, and a meal together. And we will enjoy the fellowship and prayer and just ushering in the spirit and getting deep in these areas. So I'm excited for your breakthrough. Those who stay overnight with their hotel accommodation will also join me for breakfast and meditation again in the morning. So you get 3 sessions in the VIP, but you must act now. You got to grab your ticket because, again, there's only a limited amount of tickets to keep it an intimate session. So I'm so excited that you'll join me. Grab your ticket below. We also have the general day admission tickets as well. And those of you all who just can't make it, we have an online ticket. So we have something available for everyone. Come in and join. I want to meet you. And even more, I want you to experience your breakthrough. All right. So God bless you. I'll see you there June 26th and June 22nd. Grab your ticket below. Again, Alicia Powell, CEO and founder of APMEE Transformative Meditation. God bless you. See you there.